How to fix WhatsApp not sending verification code issue. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through the steps on how you can fix WhatsApp not sending a verification code issue. Well, first you'll have to check your phone number and check your connection. Make sure you have entered the correct number including the country code and that you have a stable internet connection, Wi-Fi or mobile data, whichever you are using. Now sometimes a simple reboot can often resolve temporary glitches, so you want to restart your phone as well. Tap and hold on your power button and you shall get the option to restart. Now here I've enabled Bixby, but if I just tap on power off, I can simply power off and I can restart it as well. Also, you can try switching in between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. And now to make sure it is not the network issue, right? You want to toggle on and off the flight mode, so enable and disable flight mode multiple times and then turn it off at last. If all this doesn't help, you might want to reset your app. You might want to reinstall it, and that should fix the issue as well. Hope this video helped you. To like and subscribe.